Matusok ko ang mga bata na yan.
The brakes just fell out. I don't know what to do here. Oh my God. Our chair just flew because of the brakes. The brakes just went out again.
Dali yung ano daw, yung TV.
This weather it's so well. Our working house just broke. The brakes broke. Oh my God. I don't know what this. Oh! Oh my God. It almost broke. You know, can I talk to Tagalog? It's also broke talaga. Talaga yung mga. Wait lang po.
Wait ka dyan.
Guys, you have to support my channel. Even though the brakes just fell off. Oh my God. I think it will. It's so much. This is so much trouble. I can't believe this.
Binibidyo mo?
Apo? Apo.